Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. We are slowly coming back, guys. So what's really happening today? We expect NFP, and you know NFP has been surprising us by going even higher every time. But today it seems like the forecast says it's gonna go a little bit lower. But once you see that it's 200 plus K. That's too much, so we might have some surprises there, but I'm expecting maybe the numbers to go little bit lower because the numbers they've been going even higher. But that is not really good because once they go higher, it means the dollar is gaining that momentum. But if maybe we need to sell, yes, we will actually sell. So what happened yesterday? We actually smashed the market on a Nasdaq. I will be showing you that. And for those who want to be part of the team, please guys, just know that I'm still keeping this $60 special for a limited time. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. So I just wanted to show you that when I said we did it yesterday, I'm not lying. So this is a free group, by the way. This is a free group. You can see that I even sent something just to show that people with me, guys, are also eating. This is one of my brother, or I can say student. So you can see that yesterday I did send him this. Oh, on this actually is, if you are part of our mentorship, we learn about stuff about trading psychology, and a few months later we go on practical trading because I want you to be consistent. So my brother here, I did try to show him some one or two things. So you can see that we were having an order, a buy order on Nasdaq. You can see here he even reached $1,000. So he made $100 something yesterday. So now he's going above that $1,000, which is very great. But I will still show you how we did. You can see the entry there going up there. So that was quite nice, by the way. So you can see going back, I did even send this signal here on our free group. If you are not in the free group, there is a link in the description, or I'll place that on the comment section so that you can just enter and see how we send our signals. So yeah, you can see if you want to be part of the team, you can just click this link, WhatsApp me or Telegram me, then you can be part of the team. So now what's really happening on USD ZAR? I started with USD ZAR on a bigger time frame. I think it will look good on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, you can easily see that the time frame here, it's daily time frame, so we can easily see that the market is on a very nice uptrend structure. The market is actually uptrending, which is something that we want. Let's see. You can see that around these areas, it's where the market was doing what? Was respecting. And I feel like the market is reaching this level, and there is a chance for the market to do what? To continue going even higher. That's what I see. So let's go closer there. You can see that where we are now, the market is actually giving us this horizontal structure. I think we need to make it thicker like that because that's how the market is doing. You can see we are actually on the same level. So around number 5, it's where I think we can see the market trying to go up. Remember, we have NFP, so things might change. So once NFP gets out, if it's positive, for those who don't know, NFP actually means employment change, but not aiding people who work on the farms and stuff like that. So which means when enough people are working, obviously, it means that the economy will end up performing very well because now we have like people who can receive some salaries and they can easily spend. They can buy cars, they can buy whatever that they want. So that makes the economy to grow up. Yes, this is not really good for inflation because once enough people are buying, it means if I'm a seller, obviously I will try to increase the prices because there are enough people who are actually buying. And that, at the end of the day, it makes it difficult for the Federal Reserve to cut the rates because inflation is still going up, you see. That's what is it's really happening at the moment. But when we are on this USD ZAR, we can easily see that yes, we reached this level. I'm expecting to see the market going up. We already have a buy pending order, even though the market is just playing games. But if maybe the market breaks out, we will say no, it's time over, we need to get out. So now we are on Eurozar. What's really happening on Eurozar? We can easily see that the market, it was on this nice uptrend. The market was going up very nice. So we had a slightly smaller breakout. Then the market came again aggressively trying to retest here. So what I see here is the market, it's now trying to go lower, and we are below this support that we have. So it means below this area we're supposed to have a very proper sell. From that area we need to have a nice sell going further, as the market is showing us that we are no longer on that uptrend. So which means we're supposed to look for a downtrend, and downtrend we only do what? We only look for sell. And once the market breaks out of this support, obviously the market might continue going even lower. So let's push to the next one. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening on DXY? We can easily see that DXY is still actually on an uptrend, but likely enough we are on this support area. So the question is, will the market break out, or maybe the market respect this area? It's up to the market. Maybe the market will end up breaking out, but I think the only thing that we're waiting for is NFP, and that will give us a very nice idea on what can we do. What can we do? So you can easily see that the market is doing something like this. That is a proper uptrend, obviously. Even though if we can go on 4 hours time frame, I think we're still gonna get the same structure. We're gonna get the same structure. You see that? Something like that. So this is what we have. You can see this is what we have. You see number 5 there. So it means we are on a very nice structure, because it's where the market might find its support and respect that and start to push up, or we can see a breakout. So which means even for the other pairs which are going with the dollar, be extra careful, because at this point it's where the market can be aggressive. For the market to go up, it can be way too aggressive. Just look at this area. Just look at where the market is actually on the support area. The market most likely it ends up to be aggressive here. We don't really have much of that aggressiveness, but you can see here we're just waiting for something like that to happen. Whether it's gonna go up or down, we don't know. I think that we'll see that after after NFP. So now we are on USD JPY. What's really happening? A very proper uptrend. We had a breakout. Remember I showed you that, I showed you this area. I said maybe the market will respect this area. Guess what? The market did not really respect that. Maybe now it shows us maybe this area, and it seems like the market will be going up. But for us to not fall for any fake move, I think it's better for us to wait and see if maybe this market will be maturing out of that. Then if it keeps going down, then it will be good. But if it goes up, it's also going to be good. So we have to understand that, yes, it seems like the market is trying to break out, but with this aggressiveness, I think it's going to be way too easier for the market just to recover. So, but we need to be extra careful, because USD later on, as we have event from USD NFP, that might change all these things. If NFP is going to be positive for the dollar, it means we will see the market going up here on USD. If not, it means that JPY will be going even stronger. So, but the bigger structure here was a very nice uptrend. But what we see is we have a breakout. But with this breakout, we saw some other structures. But for now, if we break this area, obviously, it's that time for us to look for that sell. But now we can't really act. We have NFP, guys. It can be way too aggressive. You can lose everything, and we don't really want that, right? So on Euro JPY, we have a very nice structure, by the way. We have a seriously very nice structure. I think I need to send this signal very soon. We did send it here, but now I see that the market is trying to respect my support area. But previously, you can see that we have a proper uptrend. So let's go at where the market is and try to see what we can get. I think I can send this signal as soon as possible. Let me try to do that. Let's go on 15 minutes and see if maybe this is good. Yeah, I think it's good. I think this is good. So what we can do is don't just jump on the market. I will just try to have a buy pending order. If the market goes up, and then we're gonna jump on that. But the thing is, we have a structure above that. What if maybe the market comes around this level and respect that? You see. So what I can do is, let me just wait for the notification to be around this area, so that I don't really post this video. Then we can say if the market tries to cross that area, we can have a very proper buy. But besides that, we have a proper support on the bottom that shows us that the market is trying to do what? The market is trying to continue with that uptrend. Yes, we had an aggressive sell pending order. So not sell pending order. We have an aggressive reversal, and now it seems like the market might end up going up. I feel like this is good, guys. Let me just send it after. Sorry. So on GBP, JPY, we can easily see that yes, the market is quite similar to Euro JPY, as they are positively correlating. So you can easily see that yes, the market is on this nice uptrend. The market is actually on a very nice uptrend. Number 5 there, you can see that it's where I'm expecting maybe to see another push, and the market is already trying to do that, right? So let's expect to see a very nice buy, but we have this area where the market can respect. So when we buy, we have to think twice. So we can have a buy, but just know that around that level, just try to lower your stop loss or just log. If the market reverses, then we can look for that. We can just get out and wait for the market maybe to reach this area or maybe to reach this area. And this type of moves happens mostly just to trick 1 or 2 people, because just because we see this reversal, you can just jump in and then the market start to go down. Once you lose, then the market respects these areas, and when you check, they still make sense. They still correspond with the previous structure, which means maybe here you might be very early. I know there's people who have this issue of getting in the market very, very, very early, and they still lose. And after that, once they lost, the market starts to go in the previous direction that you took, but you did not really make anything because the market took you out. And that is a problem, because you might try to change here and there, and you find that you have this issue for quite some time. So sometimes you just need to learn. We have a mentorship. You saw that other people are eating. So you can see that we are now on Bitcoin. We can easily see that the market is actually going, it was going up very nice. Now we have this breakout. So I'm just expecting to see the market going down. Since yesterday, the market was there. So it shows that the market is not really moving that much. So obviously, we might see maybe the market trying to go down, because we just see a nice breakout there. So which means that might show us that, you know what, it's time for us to do what? To look for that sell, as it's losing that momentum. So now we are on Euro USD. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is still on this downtrend structure, but it seems like the market is struggling to break out of this inner support line there. You can see it's where the market was respecting. I'm expecting the market to just play around that level. Why? Because we saw that the market was respecting this level here, but now it seems like the market is trying to break out. It seems like the market is trying to break out. If it breaks out, our only hope is going to be around this area. Come on. Our only hope is gonna be around this area, where we can say maybe the market will end up breaking out of that structure. You see, so respecting that structure. If not, it means we might see a breakout and start to go to the upside. But I will still update you, as I update you actually almost every day. But if you are part of the team, that is not really a problem, because I'm always here for you, and you will not miss those signals. So what's happened here? We are on Gbpusd. We can easily see that the market is still on that nice downtrend structure. We even reaching that resistance structure. Will the market respect this area or not? We don't really know. We will see what will the market do. But what I see here is the market is trying to go towards that support. Maybe the market will end up breaking out of that structure. So, but we can't just rule that out. We have some news or NFP. The market might just play around here, and then once we have that NFP, maybe we'll see a breakout at the top, or maybe the market will respect that. So yesterday we had this as the market was trying to go down. I thought, you know what, I see we have a smaller support, inner support. If the market breaks, we can take that sell, and we were lucky because we did not really just jump on that sell. Yes, the market can be on this nice downtrend structure, and you can still have some issues. You can see here, this is a nice downtrend structure, but if you sold here, obviously you were going to take a loss. But around this area, maybe the market will continue respecting that, which means the dollar can be quite stronger if we see the market doing that. And that it's a different story, but we don't really have anything that we can do. Now we are actually on gold. Yeah, we can see that the market is still very high, but the market is still, at the moment, it's trying to go a little bit lower. You can see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend. Even back there, the market was trying to go up. But what we see here is the market broke out. Now it seems like we are on this nice diagonal ranging structure, so which means the market is still deciding, but I like the fact that it's still trying to go down. So at the end of the day, we might see the market going even lower, because we had a crazy buy, guys, for quite some time. This buy was quite crazy. You can see, if I zoom a little bit out, you can see that this thing is still going, it was going up. So euro JPY is, you can see it's crossing, so it means I need to send that signal as quick as possible. So let's try that. I will be pausing this video. Yeah, I just sent that signal. So we were still on gold. You can see that the market is now consolidating, but still on a downtrend structure. The market just broke out of this uptrend structure, so which means we now going down. But that will change mostly if the market breaks this resistance. It will mean that the market is trying to reverse. But where we are now, if the market continues to break this level, that will be a continuation of that trend, because at the moment the market is just consolidating, and this is the first breakout. So which means it's not really that clear if maybe the market will end up continuing, because the market just broke out and end up consolidating. If maybe it was just a nice breakout and started to do something like this, we're not going to even think twice. We're just going to jump on that sell. But we did have a sell here, which took time to actually go down. But at the end, it did go in our favor. So now let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. And for those who wants to be part of the team, we still have the special, guys. We still have the special for you. For $60, we are coming from $450. This is limited, guys. I will be going back to our normal prices. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. WhatsApp me. So now we are on US30. You can easily see that US30, we are on a bigger time frame. We are coming from a nice uptrend. We had this aggressive sell, but now it seems like the market is trying to actually go even higher. And yesterday we did not really have any trade on this, guys. For my recommended broker, it's actually EXNESS. For those who always ask me about the brokers, EXNESS is my recommended broker, and in my description you will find that link that you can join. Also the free group, you can just find the link in there. So we can easily see that, yes, the market is actually doing some very nice stuff here. We had a nice breakout, then the market tried to push the upside. I think we did smash something there. Now the market is giving me this vibe. You see, I think it's that vibe. Do you see that? So it shows me that the market is actually consolidating, actually very aggressive also. So if the market is going to play around this resistance, there is a chance for the market to go down during NFP, because mostly the market will end up give us some clues about the news. But sometimes if you don't really understand that, you might be surprised. If you check, actually all these currency pairs and other symbols, you saw them are towards the resistance area. So which means there is a chance for the dollar or for the NFP to be positive, and that might make the market to go even lower. If that doesn't really happen, it means option number 2, it means that the market can break out of their structure and start to go to the upside. So which means once the market is here, we don't really have to do anything. We're going to act if maybe the market was on the support area, because we were just going to continue with the trend. But at the moment, the market is going towards the resistance, like maybe it's going to sell later on. Something like that, you see. It's like the market sees something that we don't really see, or is trying to tell us something that we don't really see. So now we are actually on Nasdaq 100. We can easily see that the market was going down and we had a nice breakout. Now I see something like this. You see something like that? I hope you see that. I think the market is trying to show us that, you know what, guys, I'm going back to that uptrend. So this is what I see, by the way. So this is what we see, that the market is now trying to go up, but we are doing that with extra careful or with careness, because if you check nicely, we are still on this nice downtrend. The market just broke out, so we are still this under resistance. This resistance still actually represent a breakout, so which means for us to jump on a proper buy, even though we did smash the market around this area yesterday, I showed you in the free group, so you can easily see that we have a resistance that the market can respect before going down. Do you see that? And if the market does that, if the market respects that, I think we might end up seeing the market going even lower, if NFP is going to be way too positive today. But if that doesn't really happen, obviously that will be a very, very good thing for us, because we might see the market breaking out and we will say it's time for us to look for those nice buys. So S&P 500, we smashed this also. I did send, let me just show you guys. Let me just show you. Let's see. You can see we smashed Nasdaq. This is S&P. This is also S&P 500. That is very good. So Euro JPY, we did have a buy pending order, but this was far. But I sent the other one, which is now a little bit lower. But I did update them about that. So yeah, we sent some very nice stuff in our group, and you saw the number there. We are actually how many? Oh, we have another group which is 126. Another group is 199. And yeah, so which means you joining enough group. It's not only 2 of us. So you join people who trust our services, right? So yeah, we expect the market to go towards this support, this resistance. So it's up to the market to break this level. But at the moment, since we have NFP, I will say we will see. I don't really have to decide now. We will see what will happen before we take some news, because we don't really know if the news are going to be aggressively positive or maybe not. If they are going to be positive, we're going to see a nice reversal going down, right? And we will sell. We're not going to wait. But I will update you in the group, by the way, so don't worry. So US oil, what's really happening on US oil? US oil is still where it was yesterday. We are coming from a very nice uptrend, you can see from there, but we had a proper breakout. From that, we had the market to consolidate a little bit. Now we have this breakout. This shows us that, you know what, I'm going down. And we know very well that Middle East tensions are now slowing down, and especially that includes oil. Iran and US, actually let's say Iran, tensions with Israel, or Israel with Iran, all those things. We know that the Red Sea actually carries enough oil vessels passing through that. So if there's tensions, it means they will pose the movement of that, and they will actually bring oil to go even higher. But if there's free movement, everything is moving very nice, that means price of oil is gonna go down, because there is enough vessels going through that, which means there is enough supply. Simple as that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends for those who want to be part of the team and start to eat. So there is the cheapest $60 lifetime VIP signals, which means you pay once and then you're done. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.